friends, welcome back to another glorious day here on the New Moon Ranch. I'm Jeremy. I have a whole bunch of things I was going to set out to do today and film, but I've already gotten underway and gotten started on a few things. Today's goal is we're going to try to get the sheep. We got the 4 ewe, the 3 ewe moms, and the 4 lambs. We want to get them back in here into their little temporary paddock. This is the paddock we had them all in last summer. It's not ideal, but it works okay. And this is temporary while I'm finished building the larger pasture area over here so all the little sheep can get up here and graze about on the hillside. And then we will work on the whole back acre, getting that fenced in properly, because that's going to be a whole other bigger job. But for today, what we want to do, this fence sat here over winter with snow all the way up to the top of this post. We get 4 to 5 feet of snow, sometimes even 6 feet of snow around here. And so what that did is all the snow brought down the fence. The snow settling on it is, you know, again, just kind of temporary, but so because the snow sagged all the fences, it pulled all these temporary posts that I have placed here, pulled them all in. So all I'm going to try to do is hook up the chain, pull each corner back out a little bit, and go inside with the tamping bar and try to tamp down some dirt. Almost a little bit too far. Got it. All right, let's see if this is going to work. Sweet. Boy, that just pulled it right up nice and tight. That really is already helping a lot with the top of the fence there, but I did find a rock, so I got this much space down in here. I'm just going to shove that rock right there. Stomp it down in there. Hell, I might go grab a bunch of other rocks for all the other corners. Nice. Yeah, that should be a pretty good temporary fix, I'd say. To release the tension on that and see how it did. Well, it ain't perfect, but it sure helps. On to the next post. I got a lot of confidence in the parking brake on this track. Gathered up a whole bunch of other river stones here. There's a pile down there. Got all sorts of options. Go. That's kind of how I had them placed in last year. That thing's nice. I wish I could get it to stay that way. Nice long wedgy one. Look at this guy. There we go. Good enough. I'd even say it's just right. sliver right into my finger, just a little guy. So this one might be the worst out of all the posts. But I didn't even think about that rock until I spotted one walking up that hill over there. I would have been over here trying to tamp dirt down in there, but I think the rocks are the key. One more to do. We get these all tidied up, and we got to go all the way around and rebuild the electric fence. Kind of pulling it over a ways to build in a little bit of spring back, you know. And after releasing each one of them, they all seem to kind of be going pretty much darn near straight vertical. You can see all this sag is still here. I don't know what all I'm going to be able to do about that. I guess go around and try to lift these up above the rungs here and just basically reset these somehow. I got to go get some tools.
Oh, I want to get some reviews on Helicopter Express. Seem to be,
yeah.
That's on the smaller company side. They're fucking growing leaps and bounds. So. Sure there'll be some.
Nice, we're getting there. Dog run cable makes it so the baby sheep can get away from the guard dog because she's still a bit of a puppy. Coming up on a year old, I suppose, now. Anyway, we're getting there with restringing the electric fence. Most all of the yellow brackets are busted off from the snow and the sun damage, but fortunately all of the corner white ones are pretty strong still. So we're just zip tying these guys back on there. Pretty nice little arrangements here. I'm gonna double the zip ties this year. Hope that makes a difference. I put one pretty darn close to the ground, within about 4 to 6 inches of the ground, being mindful of keeping it off the ground so that it doesn't just drain your 12-volt battery with discharging through the ground. And I have to kind of get out here with the shovel, flatten this out, make sure that it's not contacting the ground. But and then I got another one about midway up and just about the height of this sheep here. Not best suited for zip ties. Side to side. There you go, rip it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Whoa. Nice. Why don't I just have you take care of that for me?
Okay.
Sound like a fun little project? All right, you probably need to move it, but keep doing that, and we got maybe an hour before we got to get out of here. Have fun. Heck yeah, people, we're making headway, getting all sorts of shit done around here. Practically got the full outer fence reshaped, and got the inner electric fence pretty much fashioned as well. I forgot I need to reattach my little rope from here to here. All four corners have a rope that goes right there that keeps that all nice and tight, but it's getting late in the day, so we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow to get the baby sheep out here. Well, all of the sheep, and then I'll work on their watering system again. Have that all operational tomorrow, but pretty much got the little paddock cleared out here. I believe I did a bunch of grounds cleanup here. We're going to put the feeding troughs here, or one of them, and then we got to stake them down so the dang sheep don't knock them over. But yeah, I've just got this last little bit of electric fence here to string over there. Other than that, it's all nice and tight all the way around the rest of the zone here. So it's been a pretty productive day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, see what we can get done tomorrow. See you on the next one.
She sees Amy. Amy!
She's happy to see you.
She's like, hey.
Well, good morning, everybody. We got the little flock into the outdoor pen yesterday, and the dog. Today we're gonna work on improving the water drinking situation. But yeah, we're still here with the temporary paddock electric fence situation. Hey kids. But that thing's working pretty nicely. There we go. We're gonna have to set up some sort of a solar charger, and this battery doesn't normally sit out here exposed to the elements like that. But for some reason, can't seem to find my battery cover. So, yeah, everybody's doing pretty well. Made it through the night. I think it got down to maybe 37 degrees or something, so close to freezing, but not quite. And everybody made it through the night. That's awesome. Good morning.
You guys did so good. See, Seven has had diarrhea. So it's a good thing we just
I haven't seen any diarrhea.
looked on her butt.